How to set up Oracle VirtualBox. A step-by-step guide. Oracle VirtualBox is a free and powerful virtualization tool that allows you to create and run virtual machines, VMS, on your computer. A virtual machine acts like a separate computer, allowing you to run multiple operating systems at the same time on one physical machine. Step 1. Download VirtualBox. Go to the official VirtualBox website, https://www.virtualbox.org. On the homepage, click the Download button under Get Started. Under VirtualBox Platform Packages, select the version for Windows by clicking Windows Host. The installer file will begin downloading. This may take a few seconds. Step 2. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded installer file, usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to launch the setup wizard. Welcome screen. Click Next to begin the installation. End-user license agreement screen. Select I accept the terms in the license agreement and click Next. Custom setup screen. Choose the components you want to install. By default, all components are selected. You can leave them as is and click Next. Network interfaces warning. VirtualBox will install virtual network interfaces. You may see a warning about network connectivity being temporarily disrupted. Click Yes to proceed. Missing dependencies, Python Core, Win32 API. If prompted, click Yes to proceed. Custom setup. Select how you want the features to be installed and click Next. Ready to install. Click Install to start the installation process. Installation progress. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Finish. On the confirmation screen, ensure the Start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation option is checked if you want to launch VirtualBox immediately. Close the installer. You are now ready to create and manage virtual machines on your Windows system. Downloading and installing Lubuntu 24.04 LTS in VirtualBox. Complete tutorial. Lubuntu is a lightweight, fast, and energy-efficient Linux operating system based on Ubuntu. Step 1. Check system requirements. RAM, 4 GB recommended, disk space, 25 GB minimum, CPU, 2 cores. Ubuntu ISO image. Download from the official Lubuntu website. VirtualBox application. Install VirtualBox on your system. Step 2. Download Lubuntu ISO. Go to the official Lubuntu website, https://lubuntu. Hover over Get Lubuntu, or click Download in the menu bar. Locate 24.04 LTS Noble Numbat on the screen, then click Desktop 64-bit to download the latest version. Save the ISO file to your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. Step 3. Create a virtual machine for Koha in VirtualBox. Launch VirtualBox and click New, or press Ctrl+N. Configure basic settings. Name, Koha LMS, or your preferred name. Set type to Linux and version to Ubuntu, 64-bit. Step 4. Allocate hardware resources. RAM. Set to 4 GB. Adjust based on your system's capacity. Processors. Set to 4 CPUs, or at least 2 CPUs. Virtual hard disk. Set to 25 GB, or more if needed. Once you've reviewed the summary of your selections, click Finish. Step 5. Configure virtual machine settings. Go to Settings, System, Motherboard tab. Uncheck Floppy in the boot order. Processor tab. Ensure Enable PAE NX is checked for better performance. Go to Display. Increase video memory to 128 MB. Select VMS VGA as the graphics controller. Click OK to save setting. Go to Network. Attached to Bridge Adapter Name. Realtek Peakly GBE Family Controller Promiscuous Mode. Deny. Step 6. Start the virtual machine. Click Start to launch the virtual machine. The Lubuntu installation screen will appear. Click Try Lubuntu. Step 7. Install Lubuntu language. Select your preferred language. English. Network connection. Skip connecting to the internet for now. Region. Select Asia as the region, then Kathmandu for the time zone. Click Next. Keyboard layout. Choose your keyboard layout. English US. Then click Next. Installation type. Choose minimal installation. Additional options. Uncheck the download and install updates option in additional options. We will handle updates later. Proceed by clicking Next. Disk selection. Select Erase Disk and install Lubuntu. User account. Enter your name, username, and password. Optionally, tick Login automatically without asking for the password. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, click Restart Now to reboot the system. Press Enter, if prompted, to confirm the restart. Installation complete. Lubuntu is now successfully installed in VirtualBox. You can now install additional software, customize system setting, explore the operating system. How to access a remote Lubuntu server via SSH. SSH Secure Shell allows users to log into a remote machine securely. This is particularly useful for system administrators who need to manage servers and other devices remotely. Open the terminal on Lubuntu. Right-click on the desktop and choose Open Terminal. Gain root or administrative access in the terminal. Type sudo su. Enter your password to gain root access. Install networking tools to configure network interfaces. Type apt install netdace tools. Find the IP address of the Lubuntu computer. To find the IP address, type in a terminal. If config, look for your active network interface, the IPv4 address of my PC. Install OpenSSH server. To install the SSH server on your Lubuntu machine, type sudo apt install OpenServer. Access the Lubuntu server from Windows on your Windows machine. Open PowerShell or command prompt and run SSH manage. Verify the SSH fingerprint if prompted by typing yes. Enter your Lubuntu user password when prompted. Now you can securely access and manage your Lubuntu server remotely using SSH.